Well, the First Lady of the United States is quite an actress these days. She's actually going to be on an episode of Nashville, which stars Connie Britton and Hayden Panettiere. The guest starring gig for Michelle Obama will happen on May 7th. It is a military-inspired episode that will also feature American Idol alumni Kelly Pickler. Sammy, you'll like that. It's so weird because on IMDb, the First Lady of the United States has more credits than Kerry Washington, who is, of course...
IMDb is the actor's website.
Internet movie database.
Yeah,
That's it.
Michelle Obama has 80 IMDb credits. Kerry Washington, the star of Scandal, only has 47 credits on IMDb.
Was she putting everything on there? It's like when Obama addresses the nation and she happens to be there in the background.
Update my
I was
IMDb.
on CBS and NBC and ABC that night.
Yeah.
She's
And Fox.
updating her own IMDb.
Hey, what are you doing?
Submitting headshots.
Still stuck on the fact that she's acting. Whatever happened to just redoing the White House and making it look pretty for all the guests to see you come and being a good hostess for all the other countries that come and everyone who comes to visit you? That's your job. She has a job.
Oh, Joe Biden's handling all that. But I love this idea of her becoming an actress because I think since, she is called FLOTUS, First Lady of the United States, so she could be in a movie called Hustle and FLOTUS. You see where I'm going.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there are a lot of things that could be fun.
She's not going to disappear once, Obama is out of office.
Oh, no.
She's going to probably pursue acting.
Why
I think,
not?
If anything, she's probably going to get her own talk show because she is loved by a lot of women.
Yeah, she is.
She could be Flopra.
You see how much fun that is?
Yeah.
I once subscribed to a YouTube channel using my tongue. You can subscribe to our channel right now. And you can use any appendage you want. Just click right here. Right there. It's easy.